Want to speak clearly about what's not happening right now in English. In this video, we'll learn how to make negative sentences in the present continuous tense with 50 real life examples, perfect for listening, speaking, and grammar practice. Let's get started. Structure of negative sentences in present continuous tense. Subject plus am is are plus not plus ing form of the verb plus object. To talk about actions that are not happening right now, we use negative form of the present continuous tense. Let's break this structure down. Number 1, subject. The person or thing doing the action. I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Number 2, helping verb. Am is are. This depends on the subject. With I, use am not. For example, I am not working. With he, she, it, use is not or isn't. For example, she is not eating or she isn't eating. With you, we, they, use are not or aren't. For example, they are not playing or they aren't playing. Number 3, verb, present participle. Use the base verb plus ing. For example, eat, eating, write, writing, play, playing. Number 4, object. Add more information if needed. Common mistakes to avoid. She is watching not TV is incorrect sentence. She is not watching TV is correct. I am not going. They are not coming. This structure helps you say clearly what's not happening at the moment. Now, let's look at 50 real life negative sentences in action. I am not eating right now. She isn't sleeping. They aren't watching a movie. He is not working today. We aren't playing football. You are not listening carefully. It is not raining outside. I am not studying at the moment. She isn't cooking dinner. They are not driving to school. He isn't reading the newspaper. We are not cleaning the house. You aren't wearing a jacket. I am not calling him. She isn't opening the door. They aren't singing a song. He is not fixing the car. We aren't eating together. I'm not using my phone. She is not learning English. They aren't walking to the park. You are not helping your friend. He is not drinking coffee. I am not watching TV shows. She's not teaching math. They aren't talking to the teacher. We are not waiting for the bus. He is not checking his email. You are not practicing enough. I am not writing an article. She is not brushing her hair. We are not planning the party. They are not playing video games. He is not answering the phone. I'm not going to market. She isn't drinking water. You are not studying English grammar. We are not watching the sunset. He is not coming with us. I am not taking a photo. She is not looking at me. They are not using the computer. We are not packing our bags. You aren't painting the wall. He is not jogging today. I'm not checking my messages. She is not talking to him. They are not sitting on the bench. We are not preparing food. You are not joining the meeting. Great job. Now you can talk about things that aren't happening right now using the present continuous tense. Keep practicing these patterns to become fluent, and natural in English. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful grammar and speaking videos. Thank you.